This is a beautiful pajama pants. Except it isn't.
Oh my god.
Not my favorite pajama pants. Only clothes that isn't hair. Let me think before I start. Okay. My graduation gown, my prom dress, my sign-up shirt, you know, stuff like that, like memorabilia type stuff. That's the only clothes that isn't hair. Other than that, every single piece of clothing I own is hair right now, and I'm gonna clean it up because I haven't cleaned it out in many years, and there's a lot of clothes in here that doesn't even fit me anymore. And I recently bought a whole bunch of clothes. Go watch that video if you haven't seen it. Oh wait, no, actually don't go watch it yet. Finish this video and then you can watch that video after, and then while you're watching that video you can be like, oh my gosh, yeah, I saw that piece. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
This might have been a very bad idea. I'm not gonna lie. This is starting to like kick in. Okay. 3 piles. Yeah, it should be easy. Okay, so this for sure is a keep. Easy. Next. A lot of new clothes on top. This is a top that I haven't even worn yet. Okay, what's tea? What exactly is the? Oh, my aunt gave me this. I haven't even tried it on yet. I can't figure out why it doesn't have buttons though. Oh, is it like a wrap? And then you just wrap this around it. Okay, cute.
I hate this stupid server, bro. Just wait, I'm gonna find her.
I've sorted through 2, 4, 6, 7 articles of clothing, and the pile is still the same size. Gonna find yourself somewhere. All of the clothes on top is like recent stuff, so I'm like just speeding through them. This is going out tops, going out pants, home tops, and the shirt that I hung up. Real easy stuff so far. Me and this pants made through so much together. Oh, keeping. Elizabeth Gillies has a voice like Christina Aguilera. Y'all remember that song in Victoria's that Elizabeth Gillies did with Ariana Grande? It was very much Christina Aguilera voice. To show this skirt, I haven't shown you. I was supposed to do a haul of the things that I thrifted in Belgium. This is one of the items. It was this skirt. It's so cute. Only maxi type skirt that I own. Elastic waist, lace around the waist too. I don't know. It was just really cute when I saw it, and the way it has like different layers, very much early 2000s. Like, but yeah, this is a skirt that I thrifted, purple and beige. I just love it. A little cute maxi skirt. Like, look at it flow. Next. Oh, jeez. Okay, back up. Oh, this is a decision. We've reached a breaking point. Is this still, I mean, a Looney Tunes crop top? It's kind of timeless, right? Because it's Looney Tunes, but like the graphic style of it, I feel like this is me in 2019. Is it 21-year-old me in 2022, 2023? I'm gonna want to wear it. Yeah. Does it spark joy? Yeah, it does. I'm keeping it. I mean, who's gonna really judge her and say she got on a Looney Tunes yellow crop top if I'm just like going to class or something? Here goes the skirt that I was supposed to alter, and I still haven't altered yet. It's definitely gonna get altered before I leave this country because I'm leaving at the end of this month. So, and I'm taking it with me, so I'm gonna have to alter it. So this is the first item in the to be altered pile. To be altered pile. If you want to see an entire video where I alter everything in the alter pile. Good party. Okay, while I have you guys, let's open this. Another package from my aunt. Oh, it smells good again. Ooh. This is a dress. Oh no, it's a romper. But I'm gonna hang this on the chair amongst clothing that needs hangers. The chair is coming along very nicely. Next, this I literally showed you guys this top in my last video. I've worn it twice and I messed it up. It's stained with like red dye from my bonnet because I had it on my chair. But I think if I soak it in hot water I could get it out. If not, I'm gonna have to DIY. So this goes in the altar, but it's a body. I had this top for many years. I mean, it still fits in a way, but you can see it's small. It's like a baby tee, situation. I should let it go. I should really let it go. I mean, why not? I mean, why not? I'm keeping it. I don't have another top this color in my wardrobe. I'm keeping it. I'm sorry. This is a dress that I haven't seen since who knows how long. There's no need for me to keep this dress. If I forgot I had it, then I don't need it. Oh, there's some other pieces I want to show you. It's just in great condition. Putting this in the giveaway pile. First item in the giveaway pile. This pink hoodie, if you could even call it that. It's so thin. I live in a tropical country, so I always like anytime I buy a hoodie, thin material, because you don't want anything too thick. And it's cute and everything, but I feel like it's done its time. This, on the other hand, is a cardigan, very loose. Done its time. This has definitely, look at how the threads are showing now. Very thin material. You can see the light through it. Definitely done its time. But it's cozy and I really like it, so I'm keeping it. Even the pockets are stretched, but it's so cute. But yeah, let's continue. You see how big the pile has gotten? I'm making progress. Yay! You know those people who come and say, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing unfortunately, they're making good content. Content on YouTube is dying so badly. It's either you want to watch people weekly vlogs, like be invested in their life and watch their vlogs. Those guys who yell at the camera. Nobody makes like just basic content. I lie. Hope Scope is a good one. Okay, there's a few good YouTubers who still make like my point is that I watch those guys shamelessly because they provide good content, but I know they appeal to a younger audience. But yeah, what's up guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing, I got all my clothes hair, every single one. Friend brought me back this from England. I'm keeping this forever. I've outgrown this style. What can I do with this style? Leggings, cut it down in net, make like one of those Playboy magazine sports tees. What to do with this style? I don't think I could wear this as a and call it like my style anymore. I just don't think it represents me as a lady who's giving impressions on the first meet at this stage in her life to future employers, future potential husbands. I don't know. It just doesn't represent me. This is a tough one because a friend gave it to me. I'm gonna put this in the memorabilia stuff next. But this is a difficult one now. You see, when I hit up on like the work clothes, because it's a yellow mustard skirt that I would not wear in my day-to-day life. Like I would only wear this to the office. What am I gonna do with it now? I'm just gonna merge the office clothes that I have for the like 2 years that I was working into my entire wardrobe. What do you do with a shirt that's not yours? I'm keeping the shirt forever, for life, for lifers. I've seen girls do videos where they turn everything in their wardrobe. Babe, that's not happening. This is not that. That cannot happen. It's just physically impossible. I might die from heat stroke. Heat stroke. Because that simple try on haul I did the other day was so like I was overheating. Like to be taken off and putting on clothes, it's a lot of work. I didn't realize I had so many going out tops. I'm gonna have to make another pile for going out tops. Oh, this is another work pants. Wait, why it look kind of not black? You see? Oh, you can actually see it on camera. It looks golden, like it's washed out, but that's not. I barely had these in the sun. They've been in the drawer the entire time. This is another work pants. I mean, I'm keeping all the work clothes. I just don't know like how, when am I gonna wear it again type vibe. Oh, not the acid wash jeans. Ooh, I can't fit in these. Could I? But acid, no, I can't. I cannot fit in these. But acid wash jeans, yo. Acid wash jeans was so popular and I felt so cool to own a pair of them. Yeah, these don't have any stretch. There's no way I'm fitting in these jeans. Yo, stop playing with me. That would have been so cool for a denim revamp though. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain, no? Stop playing. They reached further than I thought they would have done. Yo, Yo, I haven't worn these jeans since probably 2014. This should be illegal.
I'm in love with an emo girl. I fell in love with an emo girl.
Oh, is it because I haven't eaten today? Alright, I'm gonna speed through these clothes and I'm gonna get back to you guys if I find anything like interesting on what talking about. But as of right now, I'm gonna just zoom through these. Anytime I wear this, I fold the bottoms twice. I think I'm gonna do a permanent stitch. I need to publicly say goodbye to this skirt on camera. It's definitely going in the giveaway pile, but when I bought it, I was like, oh, I'm in my skirt era. I'm definitely doing like denim skirts. I had this and a blue denim skirt, which I'm pretty sure is in the pile somewhere, but I was like, oh, I'm in my skirt era and such and such. But then I outgrew it so quickly. It's always too small for me. It's like a purple, girl. It's red. It's like a red suede kind of material. I know it's gonna make somebody very happy. This is the cost that I bought for a photo shoot. Not me. I'm not a model girl, but it's gold. But like, when am I gonna wear gold corset? I don't know. Maybe I could style it over one of the white blouses. What's the plural of blouse? Yeah, that I have. So definitely a keep. It's only like 9 o'clock, 8:51, and I feel like I made a lot of progress. Like, this is the pile. Giveaway pile. So small for now, but I still have a lot of clothes to go through, and these are clothes that I've seen and bought recently, so I know there's a lot more clothes to give away in here. This process is gonna make me feel like a brand new person when I'm finished, because I had no idea I had all of these options on clothes to wear out. Oh shoot, this is not a clothes. This is not the old top. This belongs in home clothes. Yeah, but I had no idea I had all these options. So I'm gonna feel like a brand new person, being able to wear like anything instead of the same two shirts over and over and over and over and over. Y'all shouldn't see my face when I open this. Hello. This is a beautiful pajama pants. Except it isn't.
Oh my god.
Oh no, not my favorite pajama pants. Oh yeah. I remember when this happened, and I literally wore it like that. See, I don't know what to do with damaged clothes. I can't give it away. I want to make something out of this. The material. A little cute pajama pants says I love sleepovers, but it got a hole in the back. I can't give it away. There it is. Okay, I don't mind. You see, I don't mind salting these clothes. I don't mind. It's like 9:49 now. I don't mind. I'm having a great time. I'm just thinking about carrying these clothes back upstairs in the middle of the night. The amount of trips that I'm gonna have to make. I think I'm gonna go upstairs empty-handed and then do it early in the morning. I did not realize how many clothes I had that needed altering. I have a pants that I literally staple the foot staple the hem in instead of sewing it back in, and I need to finally take the time to sew it back in. The pile is still here. That part I don't understand. Okay, we can see a little bit more of the couch now, but the pile is very much still here. But my clothes is very much organized. We're making progress. What's the last item? The last thing. Final tour. This is not a tour. I don't know. I'm delusional. Okay, final recap of everything. Dresses, things that have to go on hangers. This pile, home tops. The pile right directly behind it, pajama bottoms, home bottoms. This pile, some going out bottoms, dresses, cardigans. This pile, t-shirts and tops. This is a continuation of tops and t-shirts and stuff, and then the pile behind here, all going out bottoms, like jeans, and you can't even, could you see? Jeans, bottoms, everything. All my going out bottoms. I had no idea I had that many, and the piles are kind of even. Very surprising. And then here I have some tops and things I need altering. These things are things to go in, like memorabilia type tops. This is from a 911 fun day. These unsalvageable. And then this is my giveaway pile. I have 4 giveaway piles. Boom, 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 boom. It's really sad I have to carry all this back upstairs. I'm happy because now I can buy more clothes.
Somewhere on the desktop leaves the zip file mixtape of the next Pac kid.
When I was younger, that's all I used to listen to. Now, if a song got singing in it, I don't want to hear it. Tune it off. Gonna put this in my cardboard box. Changing my number and I'm changing my locks.